I'm just going to start by painting on the first layer, very thin. And I apologize, my hands are so dry. It's so dry here in Colorado right now. Very, very thin. Starting at the back cuticle area, kind of squiggly. I want these to be a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to do a line going the opposite direction, just kind of up as well. The gel, but I just very lightly, I just want to spread just the bottom portion so it just looks a little milky, and just kind of spread that out a little bit going up. Very gently brushing out this line. Layer of the pink mixture, and I'm going to go over. Now, if you guys have a really good translucent French pink that you like, more coat of the pink. And while it's still wet, as you can see, the white is starting to be covered a little bit. And while this is still wet, I'm gonna take my liner brush, a little bit of white on there, and I'm gonna start just drawing some lines for this layer. And I'm gonna get another layer of pink. And another coat. By putting these layers on the wet polish, melt into the color. Okay. And one down here. And that's probably going to be my last layer. And I'm just going to put a thin coat of clear over this. Hope you guys liked my video. Bye for now.